For today's video, I will show you how I use Pythagorean Theorem in real life. So, here we go! After I wash the clothes, I go to the sofa to rest, then suddenly, ouch! What happened to this? Using Pythagorean Theorem, I decided to put a brace. Then I looked for a branch of tree. Shada! I found it! I get the hammer and I measure the height and width of the sofa.
To find the value of x in this example, notice that we have a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem states that the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse, or a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the lengths of the legs of the right triangle and c is the length of the hypotenuse. So here, since the legs of the right triangle have lengths 6 and 8, and the hypotenuse has a length of x, we can set up the equation 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. Simplifying from here, 6 squared is 6 times 6, or 36, and 8 squared is 8 times 8, or 64. So we have 36 plus 64 equals x squared. Next, 36 plus 64 is 100. And we have 100 equals x squared. Now to get x by itself, since x is squared, we take the square root of both sides of the equation. On the right, the square root of x squared is x. And on the left, since 100 is the perfect square 10 times 10, the square root of 100 is 10. So 10 equals x.
After I get the answer of the problem, then brace the sofa and nailed it. Shada! Great! I just relaxing. As I went to the top of the hills to gather some woods, I saw a horizontal position of a baby coconut tree. I went to it and tied with rope, hoping to vertically stand. But rope is not a solution. I use Pythagorean Theorem and find a branch of tree as its brace. I measure the height of a coconut tree and the base of a land so I can find the measure of the brace. Yes, I did it! Yes, Pythagorean Theorem has been useful to humanity because all the things, architectures, navigations, and constructions are using the Pythagorean Theorem so that their work has equal sides, or the width and the height. And in the navigation, the navigators use it to know the shortest distance. Yes, there was a time that I used the Pythagorean theorem an instant, just like what I did in the video, that I put a brace on the sofa and I put a tukod to the vertical baby coconut tree. Yes, it is necessary to learn stuff such as the Pythagorean theorem because it holds for all right-angled triangles. Just like if we buy a flat-screen TV, we will know if the flat-screen TV is fit to the TV case. That's all for today, guys. I hope that you have learned my video. Thank you and goodbye!